Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Nest thermostat and you're getting an E80 error with no power to the Y1 and you're wondering what's going on and how to fix it. So the reason that you're getting this error and the reason you're getting no power is because it's a safety mechanism that is actually cutting off the power when the safety gets triggered. And the reason your safety gets triggered is probably your condenser line where the water flows down. The pan might not be full, but the line might actually be clogged and not allowing the water to flow down. So it will fill up, and the machine will sense this, and then it will automatically turn a safety cutoff. So what you need to do is just check your float on your condenser line and clean it out if necessary, and that should get rid of this error. And then that should get power back to the Y1, get rid of the E80 error. Everything should be working fine again. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.